No, as in, excited mo to explore your career opportunities today. No, di ba? Kung challenge ka, for the information of Mayor Jane and Vice Mayor, naatay na one hots kanina, sa mga hots, hired on the spot. No, ipa-duty sila lahat ko ganina alas 11. No, so imagine, pag ulit pagika nila sa ilabang, usap siya ka-aplikante. Pero pag ulit niya sa ilabang, yung gawin na, as in hired mo siya, ano siya, trabaho, employee sila. So that's the good news. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to officially welcome us all and to give us her message to all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give it up for the driving force behind this incredible local and overseas job fair. Ladies and gentlemen, our very own City Mayor, Jane Yang.
Thank you so much for that very generous introduction. Maayo po ito, kaya ako tanan, mura-muras, bukay-iblo, nag-buhay, ilang oras, mga basta, mga panita, trabaho, no? Maayo po ito again, and welcome our partners in Progress. Thank you very much for joining our job fair here in Cagayan City. This is in honor, of course, of our 58th Charter Day anniversary, which will be on July 1. Ako parte sa pagserbisyo, ang atong lupunan, kubihan, libre legal services sa Cagayan Vice Mayor, Attorney Aga Ala. Of course, we're also joined by our PESO head, Sir Mark Borja. Our Chief and Labor Employment Officer of Volleyball, na Maria Rueda Angola. Our Labor and Employment Officer of Rio Region 7, na Maria Pamela Acaya. Our Family Welfare Officer of OWA 7, na Maria Rose Diaz. Our Business Counselor of DTI Bohol, Sir Julius Yoko. Our DOLE, DFW Marco O1 LS na partners. And of course, nakakibigay ang Chief ng Cagayan City, Mr. Essence of himself, John Tisdale. Babaya! Ang atong paghatag o job fair, kanisungkay sa atong programa ng pangedukasyon sa Cagayan. Kaya hapon lang,
Wala, layo.
nag-graduation ang atong Cagayan City.
Baligya diri.